Princess Merida, an independent archer. I love this character from the animated movie Brave and decided to draw in today's painting. Hello guys, I'm Kasturi and welcome back to my channel. Before we move, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the future videos. Let's get started. We will start with the face. So I draw a circle with horizontal and vertical lines, adding eyes, nose and lips. The beauty of this character is her hair is clumsy and curly but looks beautiful, adding different strokes to create hair. Now proceed to draw her gown. Merida is an archer. She is holding a bow in her hand, which she got from her father. Let's draw the bow. After completing the sketching, now we are going to apply colors. I am using number 8 brush to make this painting. Let's start with hair. I am using Indian yellow for her hair. Also apply orange burnt sienna with a little tint of black to create more depth on her hair. For gown, I am using Prussian blue, Viridian green and light blue. Apply skin color on her face. You can check my other videos where everything is explained in detail. Hello friends, I want to let you know I'm an one-man army. Starting from concept design till uploading videos, I'm handling myself, giving more effort to make this video beautiful for you. So my request to you, please watch the complete video till the end, and also if you like, press the thumbs up for me. Your support inspires me a lot. Don't forget to comment what you need in the future in the comment section and enjoy the video till the end. To create the background, first I spread the water all over the background. I use shades of light blue, green in the background to pop up the character more.